Are we live?
We're live.
So the start of the flag tournament, we have a member of the team, Christian Light, Elena Kirkland.
Say hi.
How do you feel pre-game? How do you feel going in?
I didn't even work live.
That is not the mindset we're hoping for. Do you feel like you and Greg will succeed throughout the tournament?
We won last year.
Impressive. Did not know that.
No, you shouldn't.
How do you think you will do this year?
Dan carried that. That was good.
How are you hoping to do this year?
I don't know.
Do you want that trophy?
Sure.
Reporting live, Ty from the Fleck tournament. Fleck rounds. This is our referee, Nana Kalina. How do you feel about the Fleck rounds this year?
Oh, I just love it.
Oh, you just love the grind?
I love the grind.
All right. Do you think anyone will be disqualified for gameplay this year?
Well, it's iffy.
Oh, it's iffy. Which team do you think will get disqualified?
Well, right now, I think, what is the team here? What are they? No.
The skyscrapers?
Yeah, the
This-
skyscrapers.
This is the group of the skyscrapers. Nana is watching you. Ty, signing off.
We're live.
This is Ty reporting from the Fleck tournament grounds. How do you feel before the game?
We're gonna win.
Oh, forgot to say his name. This is Carson from Team The Destroyers. Carson, how do you feel your game performance is going to be tonight?
Dan's got the ace.
I'm probably gonna play really bad.
Do you have any tactics you will use throughout the game?
Yeah, you guys getting disqualified for table talk.
Decent tactic. This is Ty reporting live. Good luck. This is Ty reporting for Fleck Grounds. After nudging him after a while, this is Uncle Nick from Team Bras. How do you feel about your gameplay today?
Awesome.
What's your pre-game method to destroy?
Nothing.
Oh, do you think you'll have any loners today?
2.
Bold prediction. Ty signing off for Fleck Grounds. We're here with Seth, the first non-family member of the Euchre Tournament Fleck.
Take 2.
Take two.
Shut up.
Seth, how do you see Euchre in your own eyes? Do you find it amazing?
Oh, it's fantastic.
Do you love watching it though?
Love watching it.
Do you know why you weren't invited to the tournament?
I suck. I lead with 9s.
The reason was lack of skill. Seth, what would you like to see in this tournament?
Abby to lose.
Oh, okay. Isn't that
I
your
sense a little
girlfriend, Seth?
tension.
That is his girlfriend. Thank you, Seth, for complying to this interview.
My sister.
You say go Fleck.
Get away from me.
Interview. How are you feeling about your gameplay right now, Maddie?
I'm a little irritated that
We just heard from violent yelling from the room.
two of the members I'm playing against don't want to be on the team. But it's going okay. We're working through it. Please get the cameras out of my face.
All right, Ty reporting live from Fleck Grounds.
Live.
We have a first warning of the tournament early on. What was the warning for?
It was to the skyscrapers.
Oh, no! What was it?
They were harassing the other teams.
What?
That is not okay in Fleck tournament.
We're gonna have to give them an interview quick. Signing off.
How are you harassing the other team?
No comment.
Oh, no comment. All right,
comment.
Fleck Grounds starting off. This game is also high in tension as it is 7-6, but the slow but surely comeback by E squared.
E squared.
Time for left. How was the
What
gameplay?
is up with you in that camera?
Is it a comeback?
No, it's not. It's gonna be a slaughter.
It's gonna be solid. The first fan hears Ty Klein signing off with Seth Schilling.
We're live, Ty. What do you have to say?
Ellie just embarrassed herself in front of the whole table, and now everyone is laughing. This might be the end of E2's chance at winning the trophy. This might be the end of E2's quest. Constellation's next for them. Ty Klein signing off. We have the first winner of the Fleck Championships, Vision Weekend Euchre Championships. We have a member of the Skyscrapers, Uncle Matt. How do you feel about your game performance?
Oh, Uncle Dan and I are just real happy.
Oh, he gives it all to
Uncle Dan just carried the team tonight. So
What
proud
an
of him.
unselfish player we have here. This team should go far. Ty Klein signing off. We are here in the Fleck Championships with Uncle Dan from the Skyscrapers. Uncle Dan, how do you feel about all the games today?
Wonderful. Great competition, great competitiveness, great banter back and forth. Loved it.
So you had a lot of warnings today. How do you feel about that? That will go over till tomorrow.
Oh, there's gonna be more.
Oh,
There's gonna be plenty
more.
more.
Okay.
Yeah.
You know 4 warnings cost you a point, right?
Yeah, well, we're gonna go that line. We're not gonna cross it though. We're gonna be right there. We're gonna tiptoe the line, but we're never gonna cross it. We're never going to put ourselves in a situation where we're not going to win.
Good strategy. Uncle Dan, how do you feel about your competition tomorrow?
Not worried. Not worried at all.
He is not worried at all. Don't fear the ginger. Ty Klein is signing off. Yes. Yeah, we need you together. So, you two, rough first game there. You know, you went up against some hard competition. How do you feel about your game?
Screw the dealer blows.
It does blow indeed. You know, Constellation's next for you guys. Where do you guys plan on succeeding there?
Taking it all away.
Who do you think you will play in the Constellation bracket?
You.
No one good enough.
So either Matt or Abby or the Quad Squad.
You.
Ty Klein is signing off. We're receiving live footage from the game. It is the game. Remember, someone to carry seems upset. Maddie seems excited. I can only have one explanation.
She heard
The F-bomb!
it's over. You know it's from the losing team.
The OGs beat the Quad Squad. Ty signing off. This is Ty from Fleck Tournaments, Fishing Weekend Euchre Championships. Here we have a member of the Quad Squad, Aunt Carrie, after a tough loss.
Yeah, I mean, that was really tough. I'm just gonna say, like, our competition was super sweet, and the cards just, like, didn't fall like we thought they might, but gosh, you know, there were a couple times we took a chance, and we didn't quite make it through, but the Quad Squad, like, I'm gonna be, like, super, like, supportive of them, and look out, because...
You know you still play 2 more games, right?
We get to play 2 more games. Thank you.
That is a great mindset from the Quad Squad. Can I ask you a certain question? What triggered you to say a naughty word at the end of the game?
What naughty word are you contributing to? Just please clarify. Thank you.
Unfortunately, I cannot say it because we have children in the audience. But we were just wondering the reasoning, not the word.
You can spell it out.
Okay, so like, I don't know a lot of spellings, and I'm not exactly sure what I say when I'm super competitive, but I think I'm so super competitive. Like, I love my team, and I love this game, and I'm so grateful for the opportunity. And if I said anything that I shouldn't have said, like...
All right, she never said anything. Ty, reporting live from Fleck. We have another sit-down interview in the Fleck Championships with Chase from the Quad Squad. Chase, how do you feel about your team's game?
I know.
We know you don't know how to play euchre, but do you feel like your players contributed really well, or do they suck?
I mean, they kind of fell apart at the end.
Oh, how do you say that, Chase? How do you feel when someone sweared during the game?
That was just stupid.
I agree, it was stupid indeed. How do you feel about your team losing?
I'm fine with it.
Where do you think you'll go in the constellation bracket?
I don't know. Maybe somewhere.
Somewhere is a great answer.
Perfect.
Me and Chase signing off, sitting interview.
Snack pantry.
This is Ty from Fleck Tournaments, Fixing Weaker Euchre Championships. How do you feel about beating your own mother in the game?
Honestly, I'll take every win I can get. We come from a very competitive family, so every win counts here, and I will rub it in forever.
Would you say anything about the other team? Any tactics they did wrong, or how did they lose?
They were, you got it.
I would say not the best luck of cards.
They were struggling a little bit. They had 2 youngsters on their team who didn't really want to be there. Other than that, we're just better.
So you're saying if they had better cards, they would beat you? Abby.
Possibly, I guess.
It's the luck of the cards, bro. It's just how it rolls.
I don't know. Ty Klein is signing off. Ty Klein reporting live. This is the quietest game we've experienced in euchre history, as we usually have a yeller. But 4 silent players here. This might be the best game to view if I were Seth. Where I don't know where he is. Ty Klein is signing off. Ty Klein here with the loser from the Bras and Fisher Light game. We have Fisher Light, Grandpa Klein. Grandpa, how do you feel about your game performance?
Well, you know what caused the game. We didn't score enough points.
Thank you, Grandpa. How do you feel you will be in the constellation bracket? Do you have a chance at getting the bag of Twizzlers?
We're tough, right down to the wire. We'll be tough.
Good question is, do you like Twizzlers, Grandpa?
Do I like what?
Twizzlers.
Yes, I like Twizzlers. The red ones.
It's short and sweet, just like Raspberry Pie. Ty Klein is signing off. This is Ty Klein from Fleck Championship, Fishing Weekend Euchre Championships. We have Mike Klein in here with the Bras. We don't know if it means bros or bras.
Bros.
How do you feel about your game performance?
It was very good. But luckily, the other bra took care of bro.
Bro or bra?
Bros.
Oh, all right.
Bros.
Just to clarify.
Glad to clear that up.
How do you feel you advance against Dirty Dogs, #1 ranked Dirty Dogs?
Who are Dirty Dogs?
Me and Sid Dog.
Well, I've seen them play before. And they do a lot of talking.
Do you not like talking? I mean, we just experienced the most silent game of euchre I've ever seen, so.
Oh, you got me on that one. You know the thing it is, what my experience is, the more talking, then the less card playing. So, we just focus on the cards. We focus in, we dial in.
All right, go with that
grinders. We're
one. Ty
grinders.
Kalina signing off. The winner of the Destroyers and the Dirty Dogs. The Dirty Dogs! Yeah! Ty reporting. All right, we got a new reporter here, Ty Kalina. How are you feeling after your big win? You know what? I feel like I could eat a whole pie. It's almost like he just did. I did. All right, Sydney Quick, signing off. All right, and we're back, day 2 on the Fleck grounds with Sydney Quick, new reporter here, with Nana, the referee.
Hello.
All right, Nana, how do you feel about today's games? How do you think
I
they're gonna
am
go?
so excited, just so excited for this to begin.
How do you think this Skyscraper versus the OGs game is going to go?
Ooh, it's gonna be close. It's gonna be close, I think it'll come down to the wire.
I think you're right. Do you think you'll have to give any more warnings today?
Well, I hope not, but you never know.
Very true. Okay, City Quick. We're live. Ty reporting live, day 2 of Fleck. Maddie was just caught sassing the ref. Maddie, do you regret what you did?
No! That real stupid. It was
Referee,
just
are you
made
hearing
up.
this?
The camera's out of my
The
face.
warnings are
Get the
stacking
cameras
up
out.
left and right. She's getting mad, folks. We gotta get out of here. Ty Collider, live. Day 2 of Fleck Tournament. We have advanced to the championship of Fleck Tournament Fishing Week Junior Championship. We have Uncle Dan here from Team Skyscrapers. How do you feel about your win, Uncle Dan?
This is the greatest win I've ever had in my entire life.
Why do you say that?
Because it was just so fulfilling inside and in here. It just makes me so happy.
I'm glad you feel that way, Uncle Dan.
It's the best win ever.
How do you feel you'll play in the championship?
It doesn't matter. This was the championship. This is all. If we never win another game, this is it.
Fear the Ginger. Ty Kleiner signing off. Maddie here, shooken up. Day 2 of Fleck. Ty Kleiner with a loss. How do you feel about your loss?
I'm a little frustrated about my loss.
Can you keep going with that?
Yes, we had it neck and neck all game, and then we made a tough call at the end to call it, and we got euchred. And we ended up getting euchred.
We preferred that as risk it for the biscuit, and you did not get the biscuit, Maddie. You did not get the biscuit.
It wasn't my call, it was my partner's call, but it's okay, I stick by it no matter what.
You decided to have that partner. Ty Kleiner signing off. Ty here, day 2 of Fleck. Abby has a statement to make.
Oh, I was just gonna say that I'd like to apologize to my partner, Maddie. First of all. The second statement is I was just following our beautiful co-host's advice to risk it for the biscuit. So how does it feel?
Well, we usually get the biscuit. Ty Kleiner signing off. Peace out, guys. From Fleck, we have a live game going on. Abby's currently going on. It's getting very intense here, as we can see. He's part of his seat.
Grandpa, you don't.
No!
She might get it. We'll have to stay for the rest. Ty Kleiner signing off. This game is very intense here as we have a round 2 of Fleck. This is for a chance at the Constellation Championship right here. We have E squared versus quad squad. Intense game right here. We're at 8-1 lead right here.
That is kind of dumb.
Follow for more updates. Ty Kleiner signing off. This is Ty live reporting from Fleck Tournament Day 2. We have word that this is the first sweep in history as E squared has swept the quad squad. E2, how do we win?
We just
We beat Aunt Carrie down.
we used those cards to our advantage and really just stuck it to them.
We see during the game that Aunt Carrie is a tad bit over competitive. How do you guys deal with that?
We just kept playing our cards,
She's my godmother, no comment.
No comment indeed.
Same.
How do you guys feel you'll succeed in the Constellation bracket?
We're gonna win it.
Yeah, we're
Taking
going
it all the way.
All the way.
For those bag of Twizzlers?
Yes, sir.
Yep, pull and peel.
Good stuff. Ty Kleiner signing off. Live Fleck Tournament Fishing Week and Euchre Championship. We have the Bra squad here playing 2 games. Was that ever tiring for you?
Mentally, yeah, it was tiring.
So you could say you lost focus?
Oh, I wouldn't say that.
Oh, no, all right. We see Uncle Nick playing a loner without the right. How do you feel about that move?
Well, you know, sometimes you just gotta take chances.
We say risk it in the biscuit here. How do you feel about that move, Uncle Mike? Having the right.
It's a brilliant move. I mean, we were playing competition that was way lesser than us. They just unfortunately got, really, really good cards and got really, really lucky. Hey, sometimes it happens. You know what? Sometimes luck, gets better than skill.
I'm assuming you're talking about your last game for 3rd and 4th place, not the game you lost before that.
No, we're talking about the game before that.
Yeah. Well, we all have our opinions, but they were well-fought games. Tyclad is signing off. After a long grind of Fleck Championships Day 2, we see the outcome of Skyscrapers and the Dirty Dogs for the final in the semifinals for the Fleck Trophy. We see in the constellation bracket, we see Fisher Light, which Grandpa's part of that, and we have E Squared moving on for the championship for a bag of Twizzlers. We also see 7th and 8th place destroying the Destroyers and the Quad Squad, and 3rd and 4th with a finale with the Bras winning over the OGs. We have Grandpa here today. Grandpa, as a spectator today mostly, what did you see during these games?
The most emotional hobna.
Can I hear that? Can I get that again?
Tak mostly hobna. Je to most hobna. Velké, malé, zítra most hobna.
So he said, well, this bridge is shit. That's too much tomorrow. To my translator. Ty signing off. Championships here. We have the 1-game championships, an unfortunate turn of events and luck of cards. We have the Skyscrapers winning. Here with Uncle Dan with the Skyscrapers. How do you feel about your trophy?
It's a great trophy. We worked really hard at this. My partner and I did phenomenal the entire tournament. We had some really tough games early on, but the last game was so easy. I mean, we walked right through it like there was no even competition there. So maybe next year they'll find somebody to be in the
again, luck of the cards. All right, here, anyways. We always looking forward to next year. We still have the Constellation Championships. Uncle Dan, we're very proud of you and your team. We'll interview Uncle Matt after this. We'll see you at Christmas. Ty signing off.
Good game.
Bye, live. Day 3 of Fleck Championships here, Fisher Weekend Euchre Championships. We have the loser of the championship, 2nd place though, due to luck of cards and lots of skill involved. But at the end, we got Euchre 3 times. I mean, me and Sid tried our best. Sid, how do you feel about my gameplay?
I really wished you would have been a little less risky, because you usually...
Risky for the biscuit! Never listen to anyone that's not going to be risky. Sid, continue.
Our average is about 2.5, and you exceeded that average with a number of 3 euchres, and you could have easily called diamonds. But it's fine. It's fine, It's all in 40 games. It's fine.
Just like I say, straight on the line, today we jumped a lot today.
It
was not very good. It was not very good. Anyways, there's always next year. The taunting's not going to continue. We made this tournament. We own this tournament, and we will not let anyone beat us ever again.
We're the creators! Yeah!
Signing off!